Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to record your voice in Canva. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official canva.com website right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the main page of Canva right here, where we can get started with logging into our account. So here on the upper right corner, go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have one, you can just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. That is the home page of Canva, where you can see all our projects, we can see all the sections we can access, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can record ourselves in our presentations on Canva. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the presentation that we want to record ourselves in. You can go ahead and open up projects. If you do not already have a presentation, just go ahead and create a new one by clicking create design and then opening up your presentation. So go ahead and open the presentation, and now after you're satisfied with creating your presentation, you can select the theme, you can select the template, add all of your info right here, and once you're ready to record your voice, what we want to do guys is go right here into the upper right corner and click on present. So guys, click on present. This is going to open up this new menu with three options: present full screen, present review, and present and record, and this is the option that we want to use. So click on present and record, and this, after clicking on this guys, this is now going to enable us to click on next, and we can get started with go to recording audio. So we can record ourselves while talking over the presentation, and this is going to save it so our people that watch the presentation can hear ourselves when recording. So here you just want to go ahead and allow your camera if you want, and you have to allow your microphone, and then you can go ahead and click on start recording and get started recording your presentation right here and saving it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.